Right, here we go again. I put the new gasket on, and I put the oil seal in, and I put a little bit of sealant in there as well, for good measure. Cleaned up all this. That first time I never thought of checking it like this. Yeah, it looks okay. Just had a squirt of, what do they call it? That stuff. Brake cleaner. So I'm going to put you back down here. Good knows what this video will be like. And then we're going to put this back on. And I'm going to put this on. That's all. Slight angle. Should not happen. Let's get under the engine mounting bolts first. Dynamo bar, and it should. Here we go. I don't want to move it around much. 716 whiz washers. So we'll put that one in there. Till we find a hole. Oh baby, I can't go far away. I see. Looking at the middle at the bottom, it's out. So I'm going to look. Oh, these are going to be difficult for you. These have got to be done up just so. Oh, come on, you can do it. Bite. You can probably see better than I can. Try a different bolt. Try a different hole. Oh. These are here to try us at times. Try and get two in on the bottom. Get to them a lot easier. I say that. Give it me up. That's it. That's gone straight in. Okay. Washer in my eye. Bolt somewhere by my head. Oh, this is not good. Sliding it around. That old location pin they have on a lot of things these days is useful. Okay, you're not going to go in this way. You came off this way. Okay, someone's stopping it. I found that washer. Difficult. But you should go in there. Washer fell off. Come back to that. There's a small bolt. Okay, let's try again. You didn't go all the way. What happened? The bolts are so short, it's really hard to line them up. I've never had so much trouble. Probably because you're not watching. Thinking, ha 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 ha. There we go. One down. I've got to go looking for bolts at the window. I think the socket's too deep, but we'll try it. That popping is in the thingy down below there. That works. Started. One. Okay, where did the rest go? There's the washer. There's the bolt for the washer. And this one, I think, goes in there. Huh? That goes in there. That's a bigger one, so that can go in there. Got to be careful with these. Strip one of these and you're in trouble. Especially when you're tightening them up. Oh boy. Come on, you can do it. I don't want this smaller one. It is. There's a hole. Anyways. I'll just there. And those two bottom ones, oh, one has to be a little careful. And the one that goes in there, and we should have a full house. Oh, there goes my washer. Come here, washer, where'd you go? You landed on the cardboard. And then you bounced onto everything else. Okay. Bite for me. Okay. Got two washers on it. That's the reason for that. Come on, in you go. Interesting. Let's just start with that wash I just dropped. It did fit there. Interesting. Right, when I fight with this, I'll pause you a moment so it's not boring. and come back. Right. Okay. I've put the bottom pulley on. Used the hammer. And there's a big blue screwdriver here somewhere. Okay. There it is. And that thing, beat the crap out the back out the top end to get that nut tight, which is that one down there. Right, that slid in nice and easy. I've got the belt tight, maybe a tad too tight, but I think it's alright. There's not a half-inch play, but there's play in it. It's not too bad. You can't see that. That's a fraction tight, but I think it'll stretch when it gets hot. And now I've got all this primer all over the engine. But there you are. She's done. Front oil seal. Now I've got to put the radiator back in. Which is that over there. Without spilling too much. So I'll do that. And then we'll fire the old girl up. I need that. That clip. Right, check everything's tight. That's alright. Alright. Good stuff. Good stuff. It runs out quick. And just make sure you can get everything clean, and what it does to grease is brilliant. Right, okay. I shall fight with the radiator and then I'll get back to you.